In this video, we'll learn how to erase people and objects from images using Krita's Smart Patch tool. This is a very interesting tool that most people don't know about, since Krita is mainly used for digital illustration and not for photo editing. Start by opening the image that you want to edit in Krita. On the toolbox, select the Smart Patch tool. It looks an X-cross made out of two bandages or planks. This tool works like a brush. Click and drag on the canvas to paint over the object or person that you want to erase from the image with this pink mask. When you release the left mouse button, Krita will start patching the area. After the process is completed, you'll see that the object is gone from the image. We can also use the Smart Patch tool to retouch photos by removing blemishes from skin. Depending on how large the area you select was, the Smart Patch tool process can take a very long time, but it gets done eventually. However, in this case, you will want to make the size of the brush smaller, otherwise it will turn everything into a blurry mess. Observe that the Smart Patch tool actually affects an area larger than its pink mask, so in some cases you can make the brush really tiny and it's still going to work. Like most tools in Krita, the Smart Patch tool has some advanced settings hidden in the Tool Options docker. For small areas, using a smaller patch radius helps decrease the blurring, and you can also decrease the accuracy to make processing faster. This allows you to click on more spots quicker. The Smart Patch tool is very convenient, but it isn't perfect. To properly retouch a photo, it's a good idea to combine it with other techniques, such as Gaussian pass filter. This is how you use the Smart Patch tool in Krita. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Krita tutorials.